Hi, I'm Matt Feehan with Fix Auto. Today I'd like to talk to you about our customer self-check-in process. We developed this process as a result of the restricted COVID-19 lifestyle that we're all living. This process is simple. It has 3 steps. It has paperwork that's already prepared for you on the outside of the building in a check-in station. Has a marker that you can mark the vehicle where the damage is. If you have any questions, we have a simple phone number you call and we're right inside the door here to help. We do also know that some people are going to need a rental vehicle. We do arrange to have a rental vehicle delivered here at an appointment time that you request. That vehicle has been disinfected. That will require a little bit of time working with one of our team members. Our team members will be wearing gloves and a mask, and after a few moments we'll have you safely on your way. Lastly, we want to let you know that at Fix Auto, our mission here is to have the easiest collision repair experience, but also now to have the safest. We appreciate you watching this video and we look forward to helping you. Thank you.